Dear students, today we are going to see D. Donder's treatment of chemical equilibrium. So here we are going to consider closed system. Here reversible reaction will be takes place in closed system. So that's what we consider the following equation. Alpha moles of A plus beta moles of B react to give gamma moles of C and del moles of D. Okay, this is equation 1. We knew already the Gibbs free energy value. Its Gibbs free energy is simply denoted as G. Okay, so that's what the Gibbs free energy G depends on the functions. What are the functions? Temperature, pressure and number of moles of the reactant. Next, hence the change in Gibbs free energy is given by, we knew already the change in Gibbs free energy. How will we write? dG is equal to SdT plus VdP plus, here we are going to apply mu value, no? So already we knew this equation. We studied this equation in second year, no? So you may write here now. Mu A plus dNA plus mu B plus dNB plus mu C plus dNC plus mu D plus dND. This is equation number 2. Okay, the overall this reaction is carried out at constant temperature and pressure. That is, T value is 0 and P value is 0. Okay, so after that, so this equation 2, okay, changes into give this equation 3. So here this T value is 0, that's what this total value is 0. Here this P value is 0, that's what this value also 0. So next you may write this remaining terms. Okay, that's what dG is equal to remaining terms mu A dNA plus mu B dNB plus mu C dNC plus mu D dND. This is equation number 3. Okay, so after that we knew already what, suppose X moles of A completely react with, sorry, not X moles, alpha moles of A completely react with beta moles of B to give gamma moles of C and del moles of D. We knew already this. Okay, so that is what they said. Generally, what's the concept? All the moles of the reactants get converted into products, 100% converted into product. Actually, we have that assumption. Okay, so this assumption is wrong. Okay, so why this is expressed by 1 unit of the reaction as occurred. Okay, obviously the progress of the reaction would be less than 100% if all the moles of reactant do not converted into product. Okay, so here all the reactant, 100% of the reactant does not converted into 100% product. This concept is wrong. That's what we are going to add one variable. That is what is this name of the symbol? Epsilon. Okay, that's what we are going to consider. What here, this is actually that overall that epsilon value. This is actually degree of advancement of the reaction. Okay, dE means change in that reactant or product. We simply denoted as the D epsilon. Okay, so after that this is actually given by, for reactant dNA is equal to, here that reactants converted into product. Okay, so the changes will be present in reactant, so it's destroyed or it's it will changes into form product. Okay, so the overall concentration of the reactant will be decreases. That's what dNA is equal to minus alpha D epsilon. This is equation number A. Okay. After that dNB means dNB is equal to here minus beta into d epsilon. This is equation B. After that for product, here products are formed. Okay, here this reactance changes into form product. That's what here we put minus symbol. Here products will be formed. That's what here we are going to put plus symbol. Okay, so that's what dNC is equal to plus gamma d epsilon. This is equation C. After that dND is equal to plus del d epsilon or dE. You may just mention it as a dE is equal to D. Okay, so after that substitute these all equation values in equation 3. Okay, so here you may substitute for DNA, DNB, DNC instead of DNA, DNB, DNC and DND. Here we are going to put these all 4 values in equation 3. At the time we will get this type of equation. Okay, so here we got this answer now. After that here see these all values are having in the hold the bracket la ellathiliyume paathona DE value is a common value. Okay, that's what we will keep this DE value in out. Okay, then we will rearrange this equation 4 and then we will write this equation 5. So idhula nama plus value first போட்டு எழுதிட்டு minus value second போட்டு எழுதுறோம். வேற ஒன்றும் changes இல்லை. So plus value என்ன வருது? mu c and mu d value. This is multiplied with gamma. So that's what mu c gamma plus mu d del. That's what we put here this value. Plus here this value mu a minus mu a alpha. Then minus here this is actually minus. So plus mu b multiplied with minus beta, no? So that's what minus mu b into beta. Okay, this is actually beta, this is b. You may put this subscript values properly. In university examinations maximum students will get less mark. They wrote properly but they didn't mention this reactant in subscript. Okay va? So subscript la போறதோ இல்ல அந்த லைன்ல நீட்டா எழுதுறதோ ப்ராப்பரா எழுதாம இருந்திருப்பாங்க. That's what we reduce mark. Okay va? So நீங்க you may mention it properly. Okay, கரெக்ட்டா நீங்க ப்ராப்பரா மென்ஷன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. reactants subscript ல தான் போட்டு எழுதணும். Okay va? int ல தான் நம்ம alpha into del into here like this. Okay, gamma into del into alpha into b போட்டு எழுதியிருக்கோம். This is equation number 5. Okay va? Any doubt? Okay, you may write this equation. I will give time. Okay, thank you students. Okay, next rearrange equation 5. We get dg is equal to de hold the bracket mu c into gamma plus mu d into del minus mu a into alpha minus mu b into beta. Okay, close the bracket. This is equation number 6. We knew already this overall reaction will be takes place at constant temperature and pressure. That's what this equation 6 becomes. Okay, so dg, so this actually this de will come this side. Okay, so that's what this dg divided by de at constant temperature pressure is equal to, you may write this remaining term here. Okay, and then box this equation. Okay va? So this is equation number 7. So this equation 7 is known as de Donder's treatment of chemical equilibrium. This equation 7 is known as de Donder's treatment of chemical equilibrium. Okay, so then when the reaction takes place at equilibrium, we knew already what dou G divided by or dg or dou G. both are same. Okay, so dg divided by de is equal to, we knew already, del g. Overall the free energy change we simply noted as del g. So the at equilibrium state this del g value is 0. Okay, so that's what. Now put this instead of this dg divided by de, you may put del g value and write this above remaining values here. Okay, this is equation number 8. At equilibrium state del g value is 0, no? So that's what this equation 8 becomes this. Okay, this is equation number 9. This overall equation is known as de Donder's treatment of chemical equilibrium. Okay, if you have any doubt means you may ask any questions. And also you may ask questions through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you students.